Hello friends, today I'm sharing this easy Halloween nail art design for very short nails. These designs are very easy to make and can be done by beginners also. So for the first design, I'm going to do the middle finger nail art design. For this, first apply a light polish on your nail and then taking polishes of slightly deeper colors, just make some crisscross lines like bandages horizontally as shown. Once you are done with the first color, while the polish is still wet, use a slightly deeper color and make the lines and then make some crisscross lines using the same polishes. Then using black polish, I made a small area for making the peeping eyes of the mummy. Because my nails are very short, I am just going to make one peeping eye. If you have longer nails, you can make 2 or 3 peeping eyes. And I also took black color and made some more lines on the top and later on the lower part also. Once the black polish dries up, I used white polish to make 2 dots as shown. And once the white polish also dried up, I gave the eyes the black eyeballs. And I also created some black lines on the lower part as it was looking a bit empty. When the nail art dries up, apply a layer of glossy top coat and your easy mummy nail art design is done. This next design is very easy and it's kind of cute also and can be done on extremely short nails. You can make 2 or 3 eyes according to the length of your nail. Because my nails are short, I am just going to make 2 eyes. So for the first pair, I made it a little bit larger and I used the yellow polish as the inner part, and for the smaller eyes, I used a light green polish for the inner part. Then I gave the eyes black eyeballs as shown. And once the eyes dries up completely, all you need to do is apply a layer of glossy top coat and your very easy Halloween nail art design is done. The third design is this very easy ghost design which I made on my ring finger because I had broken it very badly and it is still very short. So on the base of black polish, simply take white polish and make a roundish shape and pull it downwards for the body of the ghost. And later on I also gave it 2 hands. This is a very basic ghost design, and once the white polish dries up, all you need to do is take the black polish and make 3 dots, 2 for the eyes and 1 for the mouth, and your very cute and easy ghost design is also done. Finally finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. This fourth design is a scary pumpkin design which I made on my little finger as it is very short. First apply orange polish as the base polish, then using black nail polish make the eyes, the nose and the mouth, and your scary pumpkin nail art is also done. Remember to apply a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design. And the last and fifth nail art design is again on my very short nail, which is my thumbnail. And this is a skeleton design which is also very easy to create. Just apply white polish on your nails and then using black polish make the eyes, the nose and the mouth And when it is completely dry, apply a layer of glossy top coat so that you don't smudge it like I did. And your easy skeleton nail art design is also done. Wishing all of you a very happy Halloween, and I hope all of you stay safe and enjoy the festivities. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.